Ever wonder why bulldogs sound like a chainsaw when they sleep? Here's why. Bulldogs have compact airways, so air has to squeeze through. That vibration causes snoring. Their nostrils can be tight, and the soft palate is often longer than normal, which rattles when they breathe. If your bulldog sleeps flat on their back, their tongue and throat tissues relax and block airflow, making the snore louder. Extra weight puts pressure on their airways, worsening the snoring. Dust, pollen, or smoke can inflame the airway and make breathing noisy. So next time your bulldog snores, don't panic. It's just their adorable design. Want more weird and wonderful dog facts? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more facts videos.